Welcome back to the Chef Ricardo cooking program. Well, we are counting down for the big day. Well, you know that Christmas is just around the corner, and I want to say to you guys, it's only 15 days to go. Well, let's count down with Chef Ricardo for 15 days for the big day, which that is coming up very soon, Christmas Day. Hopefully you guys will be having a wonderful time. Enjoy yourself, getting your preparation together, get things together, and hopefully you will have a wonderful Christmas. We all know that this year gonna be a beautiful Christmas. As you can see, the time is very cold, but that's fine. You know, out in this place, the sun is really hot. I want to say to you guys, it's only 15 nights to go and 15 days. Let's count down for the big day. And I want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from Chef Ricardo, as I always say in my video since lately. Hopefully guys, you will see all of the latest video which is gonna come up very soon for the big day. And you know, we're gonna make that lovely Jamaican rum fruit cake which is gonna come soon. So look forward, and hopefully we have a wonderful time and enjoy yourself from Chef Ricardo cooking program.